welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look, but this one is all kind of like affordable products. So I used a lot of e.l.f. products. They actually just sent me a package with a bunch of makeup and I've been using it like every day for the last week actually. Since I've been so obsessed with it, I just thought I would do kind of like an affordable fall makeup look. Before we get into it, I wanted to do kind of like an unboxing of all the products they sent me. I filmed it whenever I got the package, so I just thought I would kind of include it in this video because I did get a lot of great products from them, but I can't show all of them in this one video. So I kind of destroyed the box. I got this package from e.l.f. and I've got so many goodies in here. I'll link everything in this package below. But I've got this blush. This is in the shade Mellow Mauve. It just is like a nice kind of neutral toned kind of pink. Also got the TikTok famous lip exfoliator. I got the brown sugar one. I'm really excited to use this because I've heard so many things. I also saw it in Ava Jules TikTok like video. I also got like this lip gloss in Wild Rose. I just thought this looked like a really pretty kind of shade for every day. And I got this matte liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee. I got this face duo in Spiced Apple. It comes in so many great shades. I also got this kind of, I think it's called like the bite-sized eyeshadow. One is called Pumpkin Pie, so it's just kind of like these nice little fall kind of brown shades. I think it'll look really pretty. Like I said, this will be linked below. These ones are only $3. Like, it is such a good deal. I also got this one. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. I also got this clear kind of brow and lash kind of wand, so it's just like a brow gel sort of thing. I use a clear brow gel every day, so I just thought I'd pick this up. I think this one was like $2. And if you guys like colored brow gel, like if you like to use like brown or blonde or whatever, they have that as well. I think that one was maybe $4, but I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out. I picked up this brow kind of pencil and spoolie. I think that's everything. They did send a hand sanitizer, which is just super nice. It was so nice of them to gift me all of those products. This video is not sponsored. They just were nice enough to gift me some products. I've been using e.l.f. since I was like in middle school. They're one of my favorite brands. Thank you to e.l.f. for sending me those products. I will have them all linked below in the description if you guys want to shop them and check them out. I've been wearing this look every single day. Sometimes I do a different lipstick. I posted a picture on my Instagram of the eye makeup look that I've been doing and a lot of you guys really liked it. If you were to recreate this look, I think it would be like under $30. Before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed. It really helps me out, and make sure to thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more makeup content on my channel. Leave a comment down below what your favorite makeup brands are or your favorite makeup products. I would love to check them out. I actually just recently decluttered my makeup and a lot of my makeup was expired. I've gotten rid of like a good chunk of my makeup, so I'd love to check out some new makeup. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 to see all of my product recommendations and daily content, kind of like real time. So definitely make sure you're following me on there. I think that's everything. Let's just go ahead and get into the makeup look. I've already done kind of like my base makeup. I just went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and then I filled in my eyebrows. I pretty much do that same makeup regardless of whatever makeup look I'm doing. Just didn't think it was necessary to include it, so I will have the products I used linked down below. If you guys want to see how I applied those products, I will link my kind of everyday go-to makeup look where I kind of show me applying those products. But now that my base makeup is done, I'm just going to go in with this e.l.f. I believe it's called the face duo, and I think it's like $3, and I have it in the shade Spiced Apple, and I'm gonna use the blush, which is right here. And I actually don't have a mirror, so it's kind of like a no mirror makeup challenge because I'm literally using my viewfinder. And I also like to apply a little bit of blush on my nose because I feel like it looks kind of sun-kissed. This highlighter shade is really pretty, but I think it's just a little bit too dark for me. I'll show you a clip. I kind of filmed like my first impressions trying these products for a vlog, but I don't think I have enough vlog footage from that day to actually upload the vlog. I'll show you a clip of me trying this out and you can kind of see what it looks like. So it's really pretty, but I think it might be just a little bit too dark for me. This is really nice. This is super pigmented. I think this is only $3. Might be a little dark for me, honestly, because when I turn my head, I think for today, I'm just gonna use this Laura Mercier highlighter. It's in the shade Indiscretion. This has been kind of like my everyday highlight. If you're any lighter than me, I would probably go a shade down on this so the highlight's not too dark for you, unless you're really just getting it for the blush, because the blush is like perfect. If you're any tanner than me, I think that this would be perfect because this is barely, maybe just too dark. I think if I was freshly fake tanned, it would be perfectly fine. I'm fake tanned in probably like 2 weeks, so I'm looking a little pale. Okay, so now that my face is pretty much done, I'm just gonna go to my eyeshadow. Hopefully that's not too close. I like hardly film makeup stuff anymore. I'm gonna start off with this pumpkin pie palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. This is just a really nice transition shade. It's the kind of color I go for every day. As you can see, I really didn't even have that much product on my brush, and it's very pigmented. Now I'm gonna use this shade right here to just darken it up a little bit. I'm not gonna use a lot, just like a tiny bit, and I'm just gonna apply that to the outer part of the crease. Now I'm gonna take this other eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar, and I'm gonna use this color right here. I literally love this shade. This is like the perfect shade ever. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna use that shade. I'm gonna use this flat brush. I feel like it really just packs the color on. And I'm also gonna spray it with a little bit of the Fix Plus from MAC. Go on wet, go on like really pigmented. I always do this whenever I'm applying a shade with like shimmer or like a base shade. So it just goes on really, really, really shimmery. So I'm just applying that to the base of my lid. I'm obsessed with that color. I feel like it's just the perfect color. Like it's not too dark, it's not too light. It just goes perfectly with this color. I'm literally obsessed. I also like to just take a tiny little brush like this. I also spray it with Fix Plus. And then I just take a teeny tiny amount of this lighter kind of shimmery shade. Apply that to the inner corner. So I feel like that just really brightens the eyes and really just enhances everything. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this mascara. It's Maybelline Lash Sensational. I don't have a mirror. See how this goes. Now I'm just going to apply my fake eyelashes. You guys already know I literally wear fake eyelashes like every day. I'm like obsessed. Like I could totally keep it just like this. I just love the look of fake eyelashes. I just don't want to spend the money for lash extensions, so I just put fake eyelashes on. So I like using the Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee. I will link those below. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. clear brow gel. This is like $2 or $3. I always set my brows with clear brow gel. Just brush them kind of like up to kind of set them in place. Take a spoolie and then I brush them all the way up. Take the spoolie. You can tell it just kind of sets them in place in kind of like an upward direction, and it kind of adds some texture to them. Now my lash glue is starting to dry. That's what it looks like with my lashes done. I feel like it just enhances the look so much. It personally makes me feel so confident. I am just obsessed with lashes. I don't know, once you start wearing them, it is hard to not wear them because you just like are so used to how your face and your eyes look with them. Like I literally love eyelashes, but I just don't want to pay for lash extensions, and I don't mind. I can put them on in like 2 minutes and I can reuse those $7 ones like probably like 10 times. Specifically love how these ones look. Like I don't even know if I would like the look of lash extensions as much as I love these. I love them, so obviously you don't have to put big eyelashes on, but I just literally love them. I forgot to mention, but e.l.f. does have a brow gel that comes in like brown and taupe and blonde and like actual like colors, and that one I think is $4, but if your eyebrows don't need as much work as mine, you can totally use that to just like fill in your brows. So I will link that one below as well. Now for the last thing, I'm just going to do my lips. I'm gonna be using this liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee. This is just the perfect color to complete the fall look. So there we go. I feel like this lipstick just really completes the fall look. Like it just looks so fall. Like, it's like kind of still like a neutral shade, but it's just kind of fall. It also is kind of 90s as well. This is just like a little liquid lipstick hack, but once I apply it, I always pat it with like a little tissue. I just kind of helps it not have that thick kind of liquid lipstick feel. You just kind of like pat it either with your finger or tissue. It just kind of helps it have like an even texture. Love this. Oh my gosh, I'm like so obsessed with this look. I've been wearing it every single day, and I just really wanted to do a video on this because it's a nice, affordable kind of fall makeup look, and genuinely I am obsessed with this. So that is the makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I don't do a ton of makeup content anymore, so if you guys would like to see more makeup videos and tutorials, get ready with me, stuff like that on my channel, definitely make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, thumbs up this video, it really does help me out. Leave a comment down below what your favorite makeup brand is, what products are your favorite. I would love to try them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!